Hi again. In this video I'm going to present you the last report tab, to say so, the last tab used for reports. And as a resume, we have, by the reports, we have the weekly tab where you have change year, month and week. We have the monthly tab where you have to change the year and the month and preview everything related to that specific year and month. You have employees and client, employee and client per year, where you have to change whatever you would like to see, any specific client or any specific employee, and all the data related. We have the employees or clients per month, when you have the option to see a full list of your employees or a full list of your clients for a specific month, and all the data related to it. And now we got to the last report tab reports tab, where you have to do everything based on any custom filter, to say so, and you have the option to print this report on a paper and present it to any meeting or to anyone you need to present it. So basically what I'm telling you here is that you have the option to select any year, to select the start month and end month, so from January to December, and as you noticed, that's already been updated. You have the option to preview if you want to see all the clients and all the employees trained from everywhere, with all the statuses, and no matter it is an accommodation or a reserve all day, you just leave it here, all pasted all over. If you want to see instead only data related to client or employee, select I want to see everything for clients. Once you select these clients here, you will be notified to update these two selection, meaning location and clients. I want to see from all cities where my clients are, and I want to see all the clients. Okay, and you have the list of all your clients that has participated to any training module from January 2025 up to December 2025. If you want to see only a specific client, let's say I want client 2, you see that client 2 has participated only in one training on September 2. It is for external, and location in Warsaw. Status is completed, and the status is client. Okay, if I want to see all clients data related, I have this following option. If I want to see client 1, for example, I'll see that client 1 participated at 2 trainings in this interval, January to December 2025, and all the data related. If I want to see, for example, an employee instead of client, I select here. I want to see details related to employee status, notify me that I have to update these two selections. So I want to see all locations, and I want to see all employees, because these are data related to employees. So all locations, I have, as you see, already updated the report. If I want to see, for example, I want to see data related to the employee on the trainings that had place online. So all employees for online, as you see here, training location are only online, and this is the report. Jessica Smith participated to different training modules, all were online. If I want to see the trainings on site, I will see also only the trainings on site related to employee. But let's choose all locations, and I want to see, for example, only one employee, Jessica Smith, for example. No matter Jessica Smith, I have 40 trainings. I have all details, all training programs, all training types, training locations, which has been marked completed, scheduled, in progress, and so on. If I want to see all the employees, also all employees. If I want to see all statuses, I want to see for Jessica Smith, for example, I want to see Jessica Smith only completed training. You see that Jessica Smith has completed 4 trainings. If I want to see scheduled trainings, I also get a report for all the scheduled training for Jessica Smith. So everything is very simple. You just have to get used with the filter, follow the information each time when you select to see data related to a client or an employee. You have these red marks telling you to update the selection. Just click on it, and they're most than sure, most than confident that you will know what to do. Just need to understand the relationship between these filters. If you want, for example, to see all the trainings or where you needed accommodation, just select here accommodation, mark all statuses, and you will see that you needed accommodation on September 7, 2025, because it was a training module. This was related to a client, but I have updated it since I have updated it once I recording the demo. For accommodation, I have internal. Let's move it to an external here. These are just DME data and are not quite accurate, but once you will record your real data, everything will be layout more nicely. Okay, so now I have accommodation on a client, which is an external and a different location. Okay, let's clear this one and mark all trainings. Once you have used your filter and get and receive all your reports, to print it, just select the entire table from here. Just go to File, Print, and depending on your printer settings, but mostly are quite the same. In the print selection, in the settings, you have the option Print Active Sheet, Entire Workbook, or Print Selection. Just select Print Selection. That means that you will print only what you have selected here. So select what you'd like to print, File, Print, go into the settings and select Print Selection. If somehow the selected area doesn't fit your sheet, you have the option here to fit all columns on one page. Look through your printer settings and find this, and it will squeeze everything and print it in one file, and use the landscape orientation, not the portrait version, but the landscape orientation, and then just select print and everything will be printed as you see. I hope this is clear enough. In case you have any new questions, please let me know. This is the last video guideline I'm recorded for this tracker, and I hope I have explained everything. But in case you have any new questions, please just contact Dencia. You will have her email address, and I'm most confident that she will clear any questions you might have. Thank you. Have a good day.